Okay, Chief, be a fee to pump you bate. So the question was, I say, how the chief feel when the pump were fixed. So he said they were very happy. Because what we have done, it will take them so many months before they raise money to do this. That is the reason why everybody are happy in the village. So they are extending their sincere thanks to everybody in Pad, Roriswell, Arcadia, and everybody. The joys and happiness is blended with blessings and praise. So, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can you say anything, Charlie? Praise be to God Almighty. We are very happy today. Throughout these few days, there is no good water in Semabu village. And today, they are fortunate we have come to Semabu to fix their well. All the women, the children, and the elders in Semabu village are very happy today. Because the resource or the money raised to buy those materials or those spare parts, they can't raise that within even 2 or 3 months in the village. So the thanks you all and let God bless you. So can you say one thing to the Roriswell, Arcadia, and Pad Sierra Leone?
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
so they say thanks to everybody who contributed to make this well to come back to existence. He's very happy because me standing here,
community health worker
I am a community health worker.
District as any time diarrhea or
we know very well that any time when approaching the rainy season, the cholera and diarrhea outbreak can occur in every village because of lack of good drinking water. By fixing this well, they are very happy because they are now safe from this outbreak of disease. So thank you very, very much.